This week's unboxing is something I bought after I got my DJI Pocket 2 that I reviewed and showed you guys a while back. It's something pretty cool I knew existed, but I never needed one. But it is a solar charger battery pack. So supposedly it's wireless charging, things like that. I bought it off Amazon. Link is in the description, you know, just in case. I think it was 24 bucks, so not too shabby. But we'll just go ahead and, as always, I did, it has not been opened. So power your wife, what? Power your life, power your work. Apparently you can run humans. I don't know if you can see that. You can run humans off of this. Light bulbs. You can run conversations off of it. Blah, blah, blah. So, opening it up, we have a 1-year warranty, user manual, don't care. A USB cable. Oh, geez. It's a brick. Yeah, USB cable, don't care. So, here we go. I'm just going to open that. So, this would be the solar side. You have your USBs over here, 2 USBs out, a C USB in and out, if you can see that there. Oh, it has a flashlight, I guess, too. That's pretty cool. But it says the power is on. Here's how much battery is left, and I heard if you put this in the sun, these start flashing. So we'll go try that out. But this is pretty cool. I don't know if there's enough in here to charge my phone right yet, but I'll set my phone on there and give it a try. It's a Pixel 4. I believe it has wireless charging. My phone does. I think it does. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know if I didn't buy it for the wireless charging. I bought it for the solar and the USB out. That way I could charge my phone as I used it. Maybe solar power bank input. Yeah, so apparently it's supposed to work, as you can see there. Oh, it's not on anymore. So I'll figure out how to turn this on. If only it would have come with directions, which it did. And then, there we go, power button on this side. So, excuse me, turn it on. So we're lit up. Little red dot on the back I see there is now. Hey, there we go. My phone is charging. Let's see if I can show you guys. Don't worry about the cracked screen. It's not working well, but there we go. Charging down there. It won't focus, but it is working, so that's cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool, actually. So now what I can do is just plug my USB into here, right into the base of this DJI Pocket 2. And then let's go see if it shines outside. Let the dog out, and then we'll see what it's like when we put it in the sun. So, give me 1 second. So, we're out here with Bozo. What are you doing? What are you doing? She loves the snow. Get out of here. And it's hard to see, but it actually is charging. The blue lights are not showing up very well outside, so we're just gonna let it sit out here. Maybe throw it, accidentally drop it. Say hi to this dingleberry. What? 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 Oh, do you like it? Oh, get out of here. So yeah, works pretty well. I'm happy about this purchase. And it will definitely come in handy charging my camera and phone and everything else that takes USB-C. So thanks for watching. Hope you found it helpful. So I don't know if I've talked about these or shown these before, but these are called Helimix bottles. And as you can see, they aren't perfectly cylindrical. They rotate in the top, from the top to the bottom. And so the whole reason I bought a new shaker bottle, all my old lids kept breaking. And so I found this one. I just put I just put exercise bottle in on the Amazon search bar, and this popped up. And I said, you know what, it's a little more expensive, but I'll buy it. So I bought this. The deal is it's supposed to mix better because of these spirals. And you don't need the annoying little metal spring ball thing inside. So I bought one, got here, and I've used this thing over and over again. I'll tell you what, I love this thing. The design actually does help mix things up a lot better, I found, especially on shakes. It's a seriously rigid plastic. Like the other ones you can just squeeze, but this one, I've dropped this numerous times. The lid is a lot more sturdy. It's like you can see their logos incorporated on the top, but it's just so much more stout of a lid. Of course, it hasn't broken. Made in the USA. It's pretty cool. So I just thought I'd pass this along in case any of you other people who like to work out have the same problem I had with bottles breaking. So I'm going to mix up some pre-workout, head to Jiu-Jitsu open mat, and then head to the gym with my brother. Also, another great thing is this goes up to 24 ounces. It says 20 right here, but once the lid is screwed on, you can get 24 in there. So that's super nice too. But yeah, I just thought I'd pass that along. I don't know who needs to hear that today, but now you've heard it. See ya.
Shut up and sit down.
That was a good workout. I didn't record much of it. I'm kind of new to the recording in public thing. Talked to a few people. They said it just comes natural in time, but wasn't feeling it today. But it was a great workout. I managed to record deadlifts. It was a good workout though. We did mostly legs today. So we started with heavy squats, and then we went to deadlifts. Then we went to the assisted squat machine where you put the pads on your shoulders and squat from there. Superset those with leg press. Then they have two machines for the back of your legs, leg curls. So one is each leg, and then the other is both at the same time. So we superset with those. Then we moved on to calves. We superset a seated calf press with the donkey calf press, the old style Arnold used to do. And then we did thigh abductors and adductors, I guess they're called. You know, one where you pull up, like push the weights out, and one where you pull the weights in. So it was a great workout. I love Sunday workouts with my brother. I used to hate leg day, but now it's one of my most look forward to things. So hopefully I'll record more in the future. But for now, I need to fix that cabinet at home. The base is falling out. It's just a store-bought cabinet, and we put all our pans in there, and MDF base isn't super strong, so it's like sagging from all the pots and pans. So I'm going to head over to Lowe's, buy some 3/4 inch BC grade plywood, cut it down and set it in there so that the bottom of the cabinet doesn't fall out. And let's go do that. See you guys at Lowe's. Alright, we're here. I think I'm just going to buy a 4x4 sheet of 1/2 inch. Nice on one side, complete garbage on the other. Probably can't see it. 28 bucks though. It's a bit ridiculous, but it'll fix the cabinet, so whatever. Let's get this home, cut it down, sanded, get that cabinet fixed. All right, there we go. It's a nice fit front to back. There's a little room on the sides, which I'm not too worried about. It would have been hard to get that in here if it were super tight. And now there's just enough lip over this to where the pots and pans won't be hitting the ledge, dinging it up, making it worse than it is. So happy with this. Yeah, that's one more project down in the house, so we can move on from there. And just, yeah, that's about it, really. Lost for words, but here you guys go. How about, how about a puppers? What'd you think, Daisy? You like it? Hey, don't knock it over.